هذا الفيديو الموجه لكل من يدرس كالكولس 1 ونتحدث عن الليميتس involving infinity، وعندي هذه المسائل الثلاث. طبعا نحن لما نشوف أي ليميت الأساس إنه نبدأ في ما يسمى بالدايركت سبستيتيوشن. Direct substitution. So try to plug in 3 in this function. It will be 3 plus 2 يعني 5 over 3 squared 9 9 minus 9 0. So non zero over 0. كما قلت وأقول إنه إذا كان non zero over 0 الجواب إما يكون infinity أو minus infinity أو does not exist، وهذا يعتمد absolutely على الساين chart للدينوميريتور. So it might be infinity minus infinity or does not exist. الآن راح نوجد ما يسمى بالساين chart of denominator. So بنجيب الدينوميريتور اللي هو x squared minus 9 and make it equal 0. بعدين you can solve this by factorization or mentally or by calculator. أعتقد معظم الطلاب بيحبوا يستخدموا الكالكوليتر to solve this quadratic equation. عندي 1 equals، عندي 0 equals، عندي minus 9 equals، والأجوبة 3 and minus 3. So x عندي 3 zeros 3 and minus 3. Then we will now study the sign chart of this function of x squared minus 9 only. ما في داعي نعمل sign chart لكل الدينوميريتور لكل الفانكشن، بس بناخذ الدينوميريتور x plus 2. خلاص أنا عندي 5. Okay, so we will locate the zeros of the numerator on the number line, and how to study the function sign, or how to find the sign chart of x squared minus 9. Take something greater than 3 and plug in this function. So if you take something greater than 3, let's say 4, for instance, 4 squared minus 9, the result positive. So we have positive here. Then we will take 0 between minus 3 and 3. It is negative. Then we will take like minus 4. It is positive. I will sorry. Okay. Now كما ترى نحن مهتمين في إيجاد الليمت at 3. So don't pay attention ل minus 3 حتى لو ما وجدت الساين chart from this side. We don't care. 3. This is 3. And from right hand, this is right. In the right hand it is plus. أيضا عندي النوميريتور زي ما بتلاحظ أيضا plus, and it's plus over plus, so it is positive infinity أكيد. So we can write in limit of x plus 2 over x squared minus 9 as x approaches 3 from right equals infinity. خليني بس أشرح شوي كيف equals، إيش اللي بصير، كيف الفانكشن equals infinity or goes to infinity. هذا الفانكشن فيه له جراف أكيد x y plane. هلا at 3 في إشي بنسميه vertical asymptote like this. Vertical asymptote. And the function when we reach 3 from this side, or x approaches 3 from this side, the function goes like somehow like this, goes to infinity. هذا معنى الكلام، انه what's going on graphically. The function goes to infinity as we goes to 3 from right. And here we have like the same function but same limit but different approach. X approaches 3 from left. If you plug in 3, it will be 5 over 0, and we have this solution or this or this. No more, no less. Cannot be anything else. Infinity minus infinity does not exist. So as x approaches 3 from left, we have to find the sign chart. We can use this one. طبعا this is the left hand. As you see, function طبعا x squared minus 9 or denominator negative values, so we have 5 over something negative, so the answer will be negative infinity. So limit x plus 2, x squared minus 9, x goes to 3 from left equals negative infinity. And this limit the same, limit as x approaches 3, x plus 2 over x squared. طبعا based on the definition of limit, as x approaches 3, the limit does not exist of course. لأنه احنا لما بنحكي x approaches 3, this means approaches 3 from left and right. So from right the limit infinity, from left the limit minus infinity, and that's why this limit does not exist, because we have different limits as long as we have different approach to 3. خلينا نعرض عليكم المسائل التي ستلي هذه المسائل. راح نتعامل مع هذه الثلاث مسائل الممتعة والجميلة. بإمكانك أن تبقى معنا وتتابع الحل، وشكرا.